By 2026, AI will reshape your content strategy, but the real shift isn't just in creation, it's in repurposing. The old rules of SEO are fading. The new field is GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. This isn't a distant trend. A massive 92% of businesses are planning to invest in this tech now. Why the urgency? Because these AI tools are proven to cut content production time by up to 50%. So how do you command this power? We'll break down the tools, the strategies, and the new rules for winning. Let's start with the why. AI-powered repurposing delivers measurable results across the board. First, it boosts audience engagement by adapting content to what individuals actually want to see. Second, it is vastly more cost-effective, cutting budgets by reusing assets instead of starting over. And third, it frees your team. Marketers shift from repetitive work to high-level strategic planning. So we know it's more engaging, cost-effective, and strategic. But what does this process look like day to day? Fundamentally, it's automated transformation. AI takes one long-form asset and instantly creates dozens of versions. This isn't random. AI uses predictive analytics to decide what to make. It forecasts top-performing formats and topics. But this goes deeper than formats. The real goal is personalizing for millions. How can AI do that without feeling robotic? The answer is hyper-personalization at scale. AI doesn't just segment audiences, it builds individual user profiles. A single blog post can become a technical Twitter thread for one user, and an inspirational Instagram story for another. The engine driving this is multimodal AI, which understands text, images, and video to create across any medium. We've covered the why and the how. Now, let's look at the specific tools making this a reality. A key function is content atomization, breaking large assets into small, shareable pieces, especially for video. Feed a 1-hour podcast into the system. The AI identifies the most impactful moments and auto-clips them into viral-ready shorts. This also expands content reach. AI localization tools can take those clips and translate them into multiple languages in minutes. These tools are powerful, but using them requires a new mindset. The market is now more competitive and complex than ever. The great paradox of 2026 is this. As AI-generated content explodes, human authenticity becomes your most valuable asset. This brings up the most pressing question for marketers. With everyone scaling content with AI, how do you actually stand out? Part of the solution is the human-in-the-loop model. AI is a collaborator, but human oversight is non-negotiable for accuracy and brand voice. But the bigger answer requires playing a different game. This brings us back to GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. SEO is about ranking for a keyword. GEO is about becoming part of the AI's knowledge base, making you a cited source. So you need human authenticity and a GEO strategy. Managing this requires one final piece, a new type of AI assistant. This is where our points converge. The rise of agentic AI. These are not just tools, they are autonomous workflow systems. An AI agent takes your core geo-optimized content, uses predictive analytics to spot opportunities, and executes the entire campaign. And this is how you stand out. You let agentic AI manage the massive scale of mechanical repurposing. The future isn't AI versus human. It's a powerful symbiosis, AI agents executing at scale, guided by human strategic insight. We've seen the shift from basic automation to intelligent personalization, and from search engine optimization to GEO. By 2026, AI won't be an assistant for your content strategy. It will be its central operating system. The 92% of businesses investing in AI will create a tidal wave of content. Your edge won't be using AI, but using it with intelligence. Your first step is simple. Take your best asset and ask, how could an agent repurpose this into 20 distinct pieces of content?